All right, today I want to be giving you guys a unbiased review of this speaker right here that I had sent to me. I already got it hooked up, but I want to show you guys kind of the process of how it works and talk about the product features. So first of all, it comes in this box, comes with the user manual, a charging cable, an aux cord, and the speaker. I love the feel of the speaker, and I love that the speaker kind of goes around the whole thing. And the interface, the buttons, is super easy to navigate. It's super simple. I like this it looks like a shoelace, honestly. A shoelace that you can use to attach to something, like if you want to attach it to your backpack. And then you have kind of the subwoofer features there on the side. So I'm actually gonna turn this off, and I'm gonna turn it on for you guys so you can kind of see how it works. So you're gonna hold the power button, and then it will turn on right here, and then that flashing light means it's trying to connect. So I already connected, so it just automatically connected. Once you connected once, it will automatically connect. You have a plus minus button right here to turn the volume up, and you can also use that to change the song. If you hold the button, you have a stop start. You can also answer calls with this, and then an EQ button, and then the charging ports right here that you can connect to the aux and the charger. So what's cool is this little thing right here makes this waterproof. So this entire thing is waterproof, and now I want to show you guys kind of how it sounds like, what it sounds like. So one of the things that I will say is that the speaker doesn't go too loud. I mean, it's a small portable speaker, but it sounds really good for how small it is.
Our house in New Orleans.
So you can hear that.
They call the red.
And I want to show you kind of like in comparison to my phone speaker, what that sounds like.
Eyes and sun. And it's been
It's just not, it doesn't sound clean and clear, but on here, it's just very crisp, very clear. The bass sounds awesome. And so what I want to finish is talking about some of the pros of this. So obviously discuss all the buttons. It's waterproof, has a good battery life. It's cool that you can answer a call from it and kind of use it as a hands-free device to talk on the phone. You got the cool rainbow lights right there. And overall, I just think this is a very awesome speaker. A lot of times in my life when I want a portable speaker, I don't want something that is big, and I don't need it to sound like insanely loud. I just need it loud enough to fill a room, and this is awesome.